Welcome to our roundup of the best drones available right now. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, an aerial photography enthusiast, or simply looking for a fun way to explore the skies, today's drones combine cutting-edge technology, stability, and high-quality imaging like never before. In this video, we'll showcase top-rated drones that deliver exceptional performance, long flight times, and smart features for both beginners and experienced pilots. From ultra-stable 4K cameras to intelligent GPS systems and extended battery life, these drones are designed to help you capture breathtaking moments from above. So, let's dive in and find the perfect drone for your next adventure. The first on the list is the WDSCCam YF V168 Max drone. The V168 Max is a feature-packed aerial companion built for those who want both professional-level performance and user-friendly operation. Designed with a sleek, foldable frame, it combines power, portability, and precision in one impressive package. Its 6K Ultra HD dual camera captures breathtaking detail and vibrant colors, whether you're filming cinematic landscapes or snapping high-altitude stills. Overall, the WDSCCam YF V168 Max drone strikes a perfect balance between performance, intelligence, and design. With its 6K camera quality, long-range GPS stability, and advanced obstacle avoidance system, it's a top contender for anyone looking to capture professional aerial footage or simply enjoy smooth, reliable flying. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a beginner ready to level up, the V168 Max delivers an exceptional experience in every flight. Next up is the Vesmatity S2S mini drone. Affordable, easy to fly, and packed with features, the Vesmatity S2S is ideal for beginners and hobbyists. Its 4K dual camera system captures detailed images from both front and bottom angles, allowing creative shooting perspectives. The optical flow positioning ensures steady hovering, while gesture and voice control make piloting intuitive and fun. With up to 25 minutes of flight per battery, and 2 batteries included, you can enjoy nearly an hour of airtime. Features like one-key takeoff, headless mode, and altitude hold simplify control, even for new pilots. Foldable and lightweight, it's easy to carry anywhere. Though it lacks advanced GPS and tracking found in pricier models, it offers reliable stability and sharp imaging for casual users. Overall, the Vesmatity S2S is a fun, affordable drone that makes learning to fly smooth and rewarding. Next, we have the Xiaomi Mijia V198 Max drone. Built for serious aerial photographers, the V198 Max delivers outstanding imaging and intelligent control. Its 6K Ultra HD camera with a 3-axis gimbal produces crystal-clear footage with exceptional stability. Backed by a GPS-assisted smart flight system, it offers multiple shooting modes like Follow Me, Waypoint, and Surround Flight for easy cinematic captures. Brushless motors ensure quiet, efficient flight, while the drone's 5,000-meter control range and 30-minute flight time give you room to explore. Automatic return to home protects against signal loss or low battery. The aerodynamic, foldable design enhances portability and durability, making it perfect for travel. Though it's slightly heavier than mini drones, its professional performance and intelligent controls easily make up for it. Overall, the V198 Max is a top-tier pick for creators who need sharp visuals, long range, and reliable stability. Next, we have the GSF L600 Pro Max GPS drone. This model is a balanced mix of performance and practicality. The 4K EIS electronic image stabilization camera captures smooth, stabilized video, while dual GPS and optical flow positioning ensure precision even in tricky conditions. The 3,600 mAh battery supports up to 28 minutes of flight, giving you plenty of time for creative shooting. Intelligent flight functions like Follow Me, gesture control, and waypoint mode allow automated hands-free filming. Its brushless motors run quietly while providing strong lift and control, and the foldable design makes transport simple. The 1,200-meter control range gives you freedom to explore wide spaces confidently. Although not as feature-rich as flagship drones, it delivers reliable flight and quality footage for its price. Overall, the L600 Pro Max is a durable and dependable choice offering excellent value for money. The last one on our list is the Xiaomi Mijia M6 drone. The Mijia M6 combines high-end performance with intelligent safety. Featuring a 6K HD camera with a 3-axis gimbal, it delivers cinematic quality shots in smooth, stabilized motion. The multi-directional obstacle avoidance sensors detect and avoid obstacles automatically, making flying safer even for less experienced pilots. Its dual GPS and GLONASS system ensures precise hovering and smooth navigation. With a maximum flight time of 35 minutes, the M6 allows long, uninterrupted sessions. Intelligent modes such as Follow Me, Circle, and Waypoint Flight simplify professional-style filming. The foldable, lightweight design enhances portability, while the powerful motor ensures stable performance in windy conditions. While setup might feel advanced for first-time users, its flight precision and image clarity make it worth the learning curve. Overall, the Xiaomi M6 stands out for its obstacle avoidance, 6K imaging, and long battery life, offering pro-grade performance in a compact build. So, that wraps up our list of the best drones with cameras available today. Whether you value portability, intelligent control, or cinematic quality, there's something here for everyone, from beginners to seasoned flyers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more detailed product roundups. Check the description below for updated prices and links. Thanks for watching, and as always, fly safe and capture something amazing.